Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to change your password in the Etsy app. Whether you're updating your password for security reasons or just need a fresh start, we'll walk you through it step by step. So let's get started. Before we get started, we have to tell you that you can't change your password in the Etsy app. You have to go to the official website. We hope that this will change in the future, so open your browser and type Etsy in the search field and click on search. After opening the homepage, on the page itself in the upper right corner of the screen, look for your profile and then click on it. By clicking on your profile, a small window will open where you will go down to the account settings option and click on it. Then on the new page, in the drop-down menu, you will look for the password option. As you can see, there are several fields here, but we will explain them to you so that there is no confusion. In the first field, where it says current password, you need to enter the password that is on your email. Then when you enter it in the second field where it says new password, enter a new password. And finally, you just need to confirm the new password in the field where it asks you to confirm new password. Make sure that it is a strong password so that it does not get hacked. Everything is written for you what the new password should have. Once you have done all that remains is to click on the change password option. And there you have it. Your Etsy password has been successfully updated. Be sure to remember your new password or save it safely so that you are not included. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on using Etsy applications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.